Trying to sit up as a paraplegic without any core stability can be quite difficult without the luxury of a bed railing. Real quick, before I show you multiple ways to sit in bed without any core stability, I'd like to thank Curly Smith for subscribing. If you're sitting on the end of your bed and you need to pick something off the floor, it's very difficult to try to get back up, especially without any core stability. So all you gotta do is just grab onto your bed and then rotate your body around to help you get up. Or you can just push off on your wheelchair to help you up. Now, let's say you're sitting on your bed with your legs out and you need to pick something off the floor. You could just have your hand on your bed and push yourself up. Or if you have your wheelchair nearby, then you can push off on that. But if it's hard to push on the floor and you don't have a wheelchair nearby, you just push off on your bed.
Now let's say you're at the hospital and you just had surgery and you want to sit up. You can ask the nurses to put a trapeze on your bed, and I actually used a trapeze when I had a wound flap surgery on my hip. As an everyday use, I don't need one since I'm not that disabled, but if you're a quad or just an older disabled person, then it could be very helpful. And if the hospital doesn't have any, or you're just at home, then you can ask somebody to help you sit up. And in my case, it's my dad. And if you don't have a trapeze or anybody to help you sit up, then you can use a remote from a hospital bed to help you. But if you don't have a hospital bed, what you can do is rock back and forth on your forearm and then push yourself up. An easier way is just grab onto your bed sheets, or in my case, my mattress, and then I pull myself up. And you can even grab onto your wheelchair with both of your hands and then pull yourself up. Another way you can sit up is by putting your hands in a fist and using momentum to flip you over to the side and then push yourself up. And it's actually easier if you bend your knees when you're doing this. Or you could grab onto somebody's hand and pull yourself over. But the most easiest way to go on your side is just grab onto your bed and then pull yourself over, and then you could push yourself up. And you could even grab onto your wheelchair to pull yourself over. Now let's say you're ready to lay on your side. All you gotta do is just push off on your elbow and then push yourself up. Or instead of push off on your elbow, you could even push off on your hand. And if you have a wheelchair nearby, you could grab onto your wheelchair and push yourself up. But here's an easier way than doing all the others I just showed you. Lay on your side. If you have your arms straight out, you could just slide your hand down and then push yourself up. Leave in comments below what technique was your favorite. Real quick, I'd like to mention I'm still waiting on some more donations so I could go Petco so I could buy some things for my hermit crab. And if I have enough donations, then I'll be buying him a new friend. Also, I'd like to mention when setting up to record, my fish lava lamp was empty and wasn't turning on. So if you guys would like to help out so I could replace it along with any broken equipment that I have, I'd be very appreciated. Those that donate, I'll be giving a shout out in my next video. Anyways, as always, stay humble. Till next time, bye.